ABC adventure with puppies. A is for ant. Look, a tiny ant runs by, under the leaves so small and shy. Can you find the ant? B, B, B is for butterfly. A butterfly with colors bright. It flutters softly in the light. What color is the butterfly? C, C, C is for cat. A cat is sitting by the tree, soft and fluffy, happy as can be.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow! D, D, D is for duck. A duck swims in the water deep. Quack, 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 hear him peep. Can you say quack? E, E, E is for elephant. An elephant's big with a long trunk too. He loves to splash in water. Woo! Is the elephant big or small? F, F, F is for fox. A fox runs fast, so sly and quick, hiding behind a leafy stick. Can you spot the fox? G, G, G. A giraffe so tall up to the sky, eats green leaves as you walk by. What color is the giraffe? H, 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 H is for hippo. A hippo loves to swim and play, splashing water all the day. Can you splash like a hippo? I is for insects. An insect buzzes near a rose, tickling gently at your nose. Can you buzz like a bee? J, J, J is for jellyfish. A jellyfish floats in the sea so blue, wiggling softly just for you. Can you wiggle like a jellyfish? K, K, K is for kangaroo. A kangaroo jumps up so high, boing, boing, boing into the sky. Jump like a kangaroo. L, L, L is for lion. does a panda eat? Q, Q, Q is for quail. A quail runs fast on tiny feet, finding bugs and things to eat. Is a quail big or small? Vulture soars up high and wide, gliding smoothly as it rides. Can you spread your wings? W is for whale. A whale swims in the deep blue sea, spouting water happily. Can you blow like a whale? X, 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 X is for zoo. A xylophone makes music bright, playing tunes both day and night. Can you tap the xylophone sound? Y is for yak. A yak with fur so thick and wide, lives on a mountain's snowy side. Is the yak's fur soft or rough? Z is for zebra. A zebra runs in stripes of black and white, across the field, what a sight. Is the zebra pink? No!
Friends, thank you for being with us. If you liked it, subscribe, like, trust. We have more videos, oh so cool. Let's sing and dance, that's our rule.
Subscribe, like, don't miss the fun. More adventures have just begun.